Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change resolution in Filmora, adjust video resolution, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device and right after just import the media or clips that you want to use. So if you haven't done so onto your end, simply click onto the plus icon in here to proceed. So you should be able to browse onto your different files or simply drag and drop the images and videos that you want to use. So right after you have added that, just like mine, just add this onto the timeline by clicking onto the plus icon in here. So I have added the specific clip already in here. And as you can see, its current resolution is around 1080 by 1920. So for us to be able to change the project resolution, head here onto the upper part. We have File, click onto that, and click onto Project Settings. As you can see, we could change here the aspect ratio, the resolution, frame rate, and color space. So we have the different options for resolution in here. Simply click onto the drop down to choose onto the different option. We have here this one or higher. So we could choose this one to lower it down, or we could choose custom. So if you choose custom, you could change it over here, but we're gonna offer 720 by 1280. To save this, click onto OK. And right after, you should notice the changes onto your video or clip, and also here on project info, the resolution has been changed. And that is how easy you could change resolution in Filmora. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.